Hey guys, today we're going to be working on your independent novel argument. Remember, you're arguing that your novel should be taught in the 7th grade curriculum. I need everyone to get their planning sheet out. They're on the table, so pause this video while everyone gets their planning sheet. Alright, great. So on your planning sheet you have your thesis. I've given you all feedback. Look to see if you included your 3 standards in your thesis. You should have 1 teacher standard, another teacher standard, and 1 student standard. Basically, you should say, this novel should be taught for 3 reasons, and each reason relates to a standard. Please look at my example if you're confused. If you need to work on this today after the video, put a star by it. Now, I'd like to move to the 2nd page. Everyone, flip your page over. Each standard should be the standard in your thesis, right? So, I want you to make sure that you have picked effective evidence for each standard. If you read the directions, you only needed to pick 1 direct quote. The other ones could be in your own words. If you picked 3 direct quotes, no big deal. You can keep them. Please put a star next to this section if you need to look at the evidence section after this video. Now, moving on to the evidence, the commentary for your evidence, the context, and the relation to thesis. Each piece of evidence needs to be explained, just like in a thesis essay. This does not need to be in complete sentences, but some of you might need to finish explaining why each piece of evidence relates to your thesis. Now, you might need to work on your planning page. If so, you can begin to work on your planning page now. If you're ready to move on to your presentation, let's talk. I'm giving you the ability to work on this presentation in any way you'd like. If you want to make a PowerPoint, great! If you want to make a video, smiley face. If you want to do something that I haven't even thought about, this is wonderful. But you should probably check with me first. Just so you know, the soft deadline is next block day for this presentation. So you should do something that you think that you could finish within 3 class periods, including that block day class time. Don't create something that's too big for yourself, but be creative. If you have an interesting idea, run it by me first. You now have 7 minutes to work on this presentation. Use your time wisely.